A question we get a lot from homeowners is this: if I'm getting ready to sell my house, should I replace my roof first? The honest answer is it kind of depends, and let me go into that here. Now, there's no magic rule that says every home needs a new roof before it hits the market, of course. Every house is different, every roof is different, and every housing market is kind of different too. But there are a few things that can help you make a smart decision on this. Number one, the first thing to look at is the actual condition of the roof. How old is it? Has it had any issues? Have you gotten any repairs done? Is it still performing well? No issues. Most asphalt shingles roofs, like I have here, are designed to last 25 to 35 years depending on the installation quality, things like ventilation, weather patterns, and so forth. If your roof is around 20 years old or younger, there's a good chance it still has life left in it. That's why we always recommend having a professional roof inspection before you list your home. A good inspection should include pictures, documentation, clear notes about kind of what's going on up there, and possibilities for the future of the roof. That way you get an understanding of the condition of the roof before a buyer's home inspector shows up and potentially surprises everyone with something. Number two, the second factor is the cost. Replacing a roof is one of the bigger projects on a home. And now, depending on the size of your roof, the slope, the ventilation needs, the tear-off requirements, and warranty level, the cost can range anywhere from around $5,000 for a really small roof to $20,000, even $30,000. But now here's the interesting part. According to the National Association of Realtors, homeowners can recover around 100 to 110% of the cost of a new roof on average when they sell. So in some situations, replacing the roof isn't just a repair and lost money, it's actually an investment into your home that can help it sell faster, with fewer negotiation headaches, and for more money. Some roofing systems even come with transferable warranties that pass on to the next homeowner. That can be a big confidence booster for buyers because they know the roof is protected long-term after they move in and they don't have to worry about it. Another thing to think about, number three, is the local housing market. What are other homes like yours doing on the market? Are they selling quickly with older roofs, or are most of the homes in your price range showing up with newer roofs? A good realtor will usually know this, but it's also worth doing a little research yourself. If buyers in your area expect updated systems, a new roof can make your home stand out on the market. If homes are flying off the market either way, a repair might be all you need. And the last factor, number four, is how quickly you want to sell. A brand new roof removes a huge potential barrier during the inspection process. Buyers feel more confident with a new roof. Inspectors have fewer red flags, and deals are less likely to fall apart because of roofing concerns. At the end of the day, the goal isn't just to sell your house, it's to sell it smoothly and for as much money as possible. And if you're not sure what shape your roof is in, having a professional inspection is the best place to start. Sometimes a simple repair is all you need. Other times, replacing the roof before listing can make the whole process a lot easier. If you have questions about your roof, we're always happy to take a look and give you honest feedback. We're consultants first, not salespeople. Our goal is simply to help you make the best decision for your home here in Lancaster County.